Good morning, all my freshman physics students, and may not be morning for you, but it is for me. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to talk about the CMYK color process of dyes, which is also known as the subtractive color process. And what we're going to use today is a very cool demonstration that I got from our graphic arts teacher, Mr. Campagna. And this is actually a screen printed print that was done in his graphic arts studio by a student. But the interesting thing here is if you notice, you'll see every color of the rainbow in this picture. But would you believe me if I told you that this was made with only 3 colors of ink plus black ink added in? Well, let's see how that happens. This is a little demonstration of the 3 different primary colors of dyes. The first primary color is yellow, the second is magenta, and the third one is cyan. Now these are not the red, green, and blue that we see as the primary additive colors of light, but they are the primary colors of inks, which are a little bit different. Yellow, magenta, and cyan. In order to make this print, the student first uses yellow dye or ink to make a yellow print. Then on top of that, they're going to use the magenta ink. And when you mix yellow and magenta, you're going to see a mixture of yellows, magentas, and some orangish colors. Now you noticed I flipped a couple of these to make them line up correctly. The next step, on top of the new thing that we have that has the mixture of the yellow and magenta, the student is going to put the cyan print. And when you're finished with that, you get an amazing thing. You now have a print that includes every color of the rainbow. This print was made with just yellow and magenta and cyan. But often when we're printing with dyes, what you'll notice is those colors mixed together, also all 3 of them, if you use equal amounts, should make black. But you notice here on the words that it actually looks a little purplish. Sometimes the black works well, but sometimes it's not quite as sharp as you'd like. So C for cyan, Y for yellow, M for magenta, and K for black is what they call the CYMK color process of dyes. Once they add the black, look in the top right corner and you're going to see what's going to happen. You now have a completed picture in the top right where the blacks truly look nice and dark black. I want you to notice this is the inside of my color printer at home, and you'll notice it has the same exact ink cartridges with these same colors: cyan, yellow, magenta, and black.